In this video I'll show you the best upgrade of the Wahoo KICKR Core, in my opinion. I will show you exactly what it does, and if you watch till the end there's a chance that you can win a set of this upgrade.
So I like upgrading unnecessary things, but in my opinion this is a very necessary upgrade for the Wahoo KICKR Core. I think the Wahoo KICKR Core is nice, but when you drive a little bit and you ride a little bit on Swift, you notice you do not have that free space when you whip a little bit, because it's very stiff, because you do not have these rocker feet, and these are the things that we are currently talking about. I found them on 3D model platform like MakerWorld or Thingiverse, and there are some other options like these rocker plates, but there, once again, I mean, when you're into biking, it's completely wild how expensive this hobby is. But yeah, I like to upgrade things, and then I found these feet and I was printing them on my 3D printer and I tried them out, and I think they're really great, because now you have these kind of freedom when you whip a little bit and when you sprint, and it feels more natural. And yeah, they are also really stiff and good quality when you print them out, and it makes the riding process indoor, in my opinion, feels more natural and for kind of less money, because if you have a 3D printer you can print them on your own, but there are also other websites where you can find them. I think a few people are selling them on eBay or Etsy or other platforms. But this design is from a guy, his name is Chris something, I don't know, but I will put the link into the description. You can download it. I think he has put it out for free, which is also kind of nice, so show him a little bit of love. And if you want also one set or 4 pieces of these rocker feet, you can write in the comments down below if you want it, and maybe you win it. I will send it to you or to someone who wants it. So yeah, they're really kind of nice.